Hello everyone, I'm Dimitra. Welcome back to my channel, A Plant Based Vagabond. Today, I'm taking you with me on a gentle little escape through Belgium, a one-night journey through Ghent and Antwerp, traveling slowly, eating beautifully, and enjoying the simple pleasure of wandering. This trip happened just after Easter, when spring was beginning to wake everything up. The light felt softer, the streets were more crowded, it all carried that fresh, seasonal energy. Our first stop was Ghent. The day welcomed us with sunshine, and there is something special about arriving in a city under a clear sky. Ghent immediately felt warm, elegant, and peaceful, a place where history and creativity live side by side. We started the morning with a visit to the SMAK Museum, the City Museum of Contemporary Art. I don't remember the exact name of the exhibition we saw that day, but maybe that makes it even better. Some experiences stay with us through feeling rather than titles. Walking through the galleries, we took our time. Shapes, colors, texture, silence, movement. Contemporary art invites you to slow down and look differently. There was space to reflect, space to wonder, and space to simply be present. museum, it was time for lunch, and we found a beautiful plant-based place called Le Botaniste. Sorry, no video of that place, just some photos. Completely vegan, fresh, colorful, and welcoming, exactly the kind of meal that gives energy without heaviness. One of the nicest things there is that you can compose your own plate, choosing what feels right in the moment. Simple food with care can be such a luxury. After lunch, we wandered toward the center of Ghent. The city has that rare balance between lively and serene. Historic buildings rise beside canals, bicycles pass quietly, people gather on terraces and the riverside, and everything feels connected by water and stone. There is beauty in every direction, but never in an overwhelming way. Ghent doesn't shout, it gently reveals itself. Later in the afternoon, we joined a guided boat tour through the canals. Seeing a city from the water always changes the experience. The rhythm slows. The architecture reflects in the surface. Bridges appear and disappear above you. Hidden corners suddenly open. As the boat moved through the city, Ghent felt even more magical. Old facades leaned over the canals, sunlight touched the windows, and stories of the city unfolded around us. Sometimes, travel memories are not dramatic moments. They are simply light on water, a breeze on your face, and the feeling that for a little while, life is exactly where it should be. That evening was quiet and easy. A slow walk, perhaps one more glance at the canals, and then rest, because the next morning it was time for a second seat. Day 2 began with a journey to Antwerp. Antwerp carries a different energy. It feels stylish, grand, and confidently alive. We spent the day strolling through the old town. Traveling this way is one of my favorite things. No checklist, no pressure, just movement, curiosity, and enough time to notice details. A doorway, a bell tower, sunlight on stone, laughter from a cafe terrace, flowers in a window. Sometimes the richest moments are the quietest ones. Later, we found a Chinese restaurant that was also completely vegan called Better Than Hungry. Always a joy to discover plant-based places while traveling, especially when they are thoughtful and full of flavor. That's it for today. Thank you for spending this peaceful little trip with me. If you enjoyed traveling slowly through Ghent and Antwerp, feel free to like, subscribe, and join me again for the next wonder. Until next time, take care, move gently, and keep exploring.